Can't stand in the same river twice. These inspiring words from Heraclitus remind me of the dissection experience, whether it's live stream or in person. I'm never the same when I step into the lab or view the recordings online or participate in the live stream itself. We're thrilled to present to you Move, Rest, and Digest with Thad Dudgery, who is an anatomy trained structural integration practitioner, a certified teacher for anatomy trains, and also a dissection lab instructor. Thad is currently in osteopathy school. He's also a student of Baral, where they do a lot of visceral manipulation. We'll be looking not only at digestion as a system, but also mobility, motility, and motricity. So those three concepts Thad will be exploring in detail. And we'll also be looking at the organs themselves, both in situ, inside of the body, and also outside of the body, and looking at the inside of the digestive tract. If you've been fascinated with Todd Garcia's Scalpel Like a Paintbrush, he's quite an artist in his dissection. He is so experienced, he's a master at his craft. Please join us for the Move, Rest, and Digest dissection live stream.